Hello, Namaskar, good morning. I hope you people are doing great and taking great care of yourself in this corona epidemic time, and make sure you are following the government advisories very religiously and helping humanity fight against this corona epidemic. Make sure you are doing yoga so that your immunity is enhanced every day. Friends, today I am going to share with you a very important piece of information that I have previously in many videos I have shared with you all. That information is regarding the yoga, the way of practicing yoga. In all these times, by a lot of yoga practitioners in their Instagram posts and YouTube and Google and various websites, people have shown that yoga is all about doing perfect poses. But friends, yoga is not about those poses. Yoga doesn't, central core of yoga is not that. Yoga is all about the management of your breath and how breath management helps in the emotional intelligence management. How you can manage those emotions through breath is what yoga teach you. And one of the leading newspaper of India, The Hindu, has published that article today regarding this, and how corona epidemic is dragging people from all those from all those poses that have been shown in those videos, in those Instagram videos, to people who are following a simple yogic breathing exercise, and how it is evolving and how it is bringing a change in their life. So friends, the link of the article is shared in the description below. You can check that out. For the sake of video and for the sake of information, I am sharing that thing with you all. This article has been published by the Hindu magazine. It is a magazine published every week by the Hindu, and the cover story is written normally by people who have rich experience in those expertise or those sectors about which they have been writing in this magazine. So they have published an article with the title "Staying On" and how yoga as a stress buster and a stress reliever has been evolving today in this time. A very important line that I want you people to read in this article. See, this is the cover story that they have published, a full page cover story regarding yoga. So the piece of information that I want you people to know and to read with me is: the yoga frenzy that engulfed the world a few years ago has suddenly seen a shift in these times of COVID-19. It is no longer saffron tinged and shlok accompanied, nor is it about celebrating the body with white people on Instagram performing the perfect Vrishchikasana on a beach. Today it is seen as a form of mind-body control in a world where an invisible force bars us from the stepping out of our homes. Friends, all my previous videos have been talking about this only, that yoga is not about doing the complex poses, the complex lot of gymnastic poses. Yoga is about breathing and how you can manage your breath, how you can manage your life. You can check those articles, you can check those videos, you can check everything available in my YouTube channel. So friends, please make sure you are following the simple breathing exercise like Bhastrika, like Anulom Vilom, like Pranayam. These alone can help you deal with all those massive insecurities, anxiety, stress that are infecting you and corrupting you along with this corona. So make sure you read this article and follow that simple thing that might have got into your mind and thinking that if you cannot do those poses what have been shown in Instagram, you are not born to do yoga. No, you are born to do yoga. You can do yoga if you can just manage your breath. A simple inhale, a simple exhale can change your life. Make sure you are following that. Until next time, take care.